Hi friends, welcome to my channel Tips and Tricks for You. Today in this video, I will show you a method you can earn money and you can do this from anywhere around the world. The only thing you need, you are good in English. Remember, you are good in English. Not so much expert in English, but you have to good understanding in English. But before start the video, I invite you to subscribe my channel and press the bell icon to receive daily new interesting videos from my channel. And at the end, if you like this video, then hit on like button and share this video with your friends. So let's get started. So the website we are talking about is called aimedia.tv. I provide link in description. But before explain you, I show you something. This website got a page, a big fan page on Facebook, and it has 1 million people like this. You see here 1 million, and this is a huge amount of fans on the Facebook. You see here, you find I recommended you to search AI Media on your Facebook account and go to this page, and you can also see reviews of this website here. This website got amazing reviews here. It educates me without shaming me for not knowing things. Friendly presenters. This is a great place to learn more about ASL and ways to increase your knowledge of the deep community. And there's a great site I recommended this site BC because my uncle is deep too. So there are a lot of good reviews you can find here, and this is a great website. Also, there are some amazing reviews as I show you, and this is 100% legit company. So what is this? What you doing with this website? Earn money watching videos. Join our team of freelance captions and caption videos from TV, movies, YouTube, Facebook, and more. We have thousands of hours of interesting and entertaining video content. Apply today and you could start earning tomorrow. What are captions? Captions are the spoken words and sounds in a video displayed as text on the screen. Anyone can caption. All you need is a good grasp of English using your easy online captioning tool. Just type what you hear, time it to the video, and get paid. So basically, you just listen to the video and write the captions. So all you need is grasp of English. You see here, all you need is a grasp of English. That's all you need to qualify for job. Of course, once you apply and you find link below in description, so open this and you can sign up. And I recommended you to read FAQs, and you have to pass the test. So that test, you know, English, they will just test from that test that you know English or not. So you need to pass the test. So be very careful when you complete the test, because if you fail in the test, you are not gonna be give any jobs. So here you find why you love freelance captioning. Make good money. Earn $27 to $42 per video hour from anywhere in the world. All you need is a computer and an internet connection. Work from home, no more wasting time and money traveling to a workplace. Caption from the comfort of your own home with our global captioning platform. Work when you want. Need something more flexible than 9 to 5? As a freelancer, you will have the freedom and flexibility to set your own schedule by claiming from a list of available jobs. Make a difference. Captions make online content accessible to millions of people around the world. Be part of the accessibility movement for global impact, one word at a time. Okay, so you are helping to impact people lives through their simple job, through this simple job. This cannot make you rich. I again want to tell you, this cannot make you rich. This is something that you can earn a couple of extra dollars. It's pretty easy. That's it, guys. So I hope you guys like this video, and you find links in description to sign up. So sign up and start earning money from tomorrow. So if you guys like this video, then please subscribe to my channel and share this video with your friends, and don't forget to like the like this video. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video.